Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Eating with Coach Amber. Today we're going to be making mushroom, spinach, and kale egg bites. And for this recipe, you will need the following items. Go ahead and grab 8 eggs, 1/2 cup of kale, 1/2 cup of spinach, 1 small onion chopped, 1/2 cup of mushrooms, 1 cup shredded cheese, a container of plain Greek yogurt, 5 ounces, your choice of seasonings, grapeseed oil spray or your favorite nonstick spray, and a cupcake pan. So we'll start off with our eggs. This is just what I had. I had some brown eggs, some white eggs. It really doesn't matter, but start off with 8 eggs. You maybe could even use 7 because I did have extra eggs. I have my kale. I was about to say spinach, my kale. And I'm using frozen kale and fresh spinach. I did do 2 handfuls of spinach because, as y'all know, it cooks down a lot. And my Greek yogurt. I love to use Greek yogurt in a lot of recipes because it gives so much added protein, 14 grams of protein in just this one container. I did go ahead and chop up my small white onion. And then I have my 1 1/2 cups of mushrooms. This is just about 1 cup because this little bowl is so cute and I couldn't fit all of them in there. I'm using Baby Bella, but you could use white mushrooms as well. This is my favorite cheese. It's the 4 Cheese Mexican by Sargento, but you could use your favorite. Mozzarella would be good, or even just sharp cheddar. And then these are my seasonings: seasoning salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. There are a lot of great non-salt seasonings that I would possibly substitute if you're trying to do low sodium. And this is the grapeseed oil nonstick cooking spray that I used throughout the dish. So let's go ahead and move right along. I started off by sauteing my kale and spinach together, and that's what they look like. I really just warmed it up. Just when the spinach started to wilt, I took it off and I sauteed the mushrooms and onions together. I set both of those to the side to cool while I added my eggs, yogurt, seasonings to taste, and my spinach and kale to my Ninja. I blended that up until it was smooth. Then I began to spray my cupcake pan. I added in the mushroom and onion mixture to each individual pan. I was hoping to make about 8 to 9 egg bites with this, and I did, but I did have leftover egg mixture. So in the leftover cupcake pans, I just added the rest of the egg mixture and topped it with cheese. So I didn't add the vegetables, but y'all, you could substitute whatever your favorite vegetables are. You could do peppers and onions. You could even add in turkey bacon or turkey or regular bacon, ham, whatever you like. So as you see, I added in my egg mixture straight from the blender and I began to top with cheese. In the meantime, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and you're going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I would go ahead and check these just based off of how hot your oven usually is. My oven is really hot because it's gas. So at 15 minutes, mine were done, but yours may take a little bit longer. So after I topped these with cheese, I went ahead and placed them in the oven, set my timer for 15 minutes, and voila, these will be perfect to eat on the road if you eat while you're on your way to work or for any brunch or breakfast. I hope you all enjoy. We will talk again soon. Bye.